In outsourced civil engineering projects, balancing speed and quality is always a major challenge. Tight schedules, strict budgets, and demanding technical requirements often lead to cutting processes or bypassing controls. The core issue is not choosing which side is more important, but building a system and work culture that allows speed and quality to advance together. Process discipline is the shared DNA of these two factors. The starting point is clarifying expectations and defining quality. Creating a stakeholder matrix that records each party's mandatory requirements and their weighting of speed versus quality quickly exposes potential conflicts. When these tensions are surfaced and addressed from the outset, all parties can agree on a clear concept of good enough. This consensus forms the foundation for avoiding compromises on quality during execution. In addition, the iron triangle of scope, time, and cost needs to be defined before the project begins. If one element is fixed, the plan must revolve around it. When the entire team, from the client to the outsourced engineers, understands the boundaries, guesswork stops and creative solutions emerge within real constraints. This approach makes it possible to shorten schedules without sacrificing quality or cost. To truly achieve speed, it is essential to identify and remove the bottlenecks in the workflow. Analyzing the sequence of tasks to find the activity with the highest waiting time and then focusing resources on that point yields far greater impact than simply adding manpower. Countermeasures can include splitting packages, running approvals in parallel, or starting procedures earlier when risks are manageable. This is how schedules can be shortened intelligently without extra staff. Lean principles also play an important role in reducing waste and improving quality. Instead of flooding the site with all documents and materials at once, information and resources are provided just in time when crews are ready, reducing stockpiles, limiting damage, and focusing effort on critical tasks. The last planner system creates frontline accountability through weekly readiness checks to ensure materials, documents, and potential conflicts are resolved before work starts. This process minimizes rework and increases transparency. Technology strongly supports this process. BIM detects design conflicts before construction. A cloud-based snagging application enables issues to be recorded and tracked for resolution in real time. Automated checking tools compare mixed designs or material certifications with the project specifications and flag non-compliance before work begins. This proactive quality assurance clearly benefits both cost and schedule. AXA Engineers exemplifies this approach. AXA Engineers has built a philosophy of high performance and happiness through a comprehensive employee development program, creating a motivated, stable team of engineers trained to international standards. AXA Engineers integrates Civil 3D, BIM, and other advanced tools into every workflow, embeds quality from the outset with a Kaizen mindset of continuous improvement and transparent operating procedures. This culture and system make it possible to accelerate schedules while maintaining quality and compliance. Shortcuts that undermine durability such as mass, increases in manpower, prolonged overtime, or shortening concrete curing time often backfire. Instead, public contingency buffers are built into the critical path as a shock absorber for unexpected tests or material issues. Being transparent about these buffers builds trust and maintains alignment. This is proactive risk management, not reactive firefighting. Culture is the final differentiator. When key metrics are published and first-pass approvals are celebrated, the mindset of the entire team shifts from "how late are we" to "how perfect can we be?" When speed supports quality, both metrics rise together. Speed and quality are not opposites but complementary factors. With the right systems and methods, it is possible to meet demanding schedules with confidence that all standards are still being met. This is the approach AXA Engineers applies to help outsourced projects become more effective, faster, and more sustainable.